When you truly want a bond to exist, then all that you need is that one reason to text, talk, and communicate. The way he looks at the world is so attractive. Time flew by. The bonding between us turned to be more strong. From pranking that he works in the same company as I do to the phone call that I keep avoiding, which is of no one else but my mom. On the arrival of nights, the dark sky made us to spill our dark secrets too. We were brave and comfortable enough to show our blue scars. Finally, there was someone with whom I could share something. I don't know how this person grew so close to me that whether it is the happy news or the sorrow one, he turned to be the first one whom I chose to call every time. The guy who enjoyed his own company has started to enjoy my company too. So did I. The interesting part of this unknown connection is that we try to improve ourselves day by day. And that is the part which makes this bond beautiful in the first place. The word solitude just disappeared. We knew so much about each other that wherever I go, I started connecting everything to him. Whether it is his favorite color, flavor of ice cream, fruit, chocolate, the novel which he kept describing about, or the song which he loves the most. The people around started to name this anonymous bond, whereas we both are not ready to accept any of their false assumption. We know that there is something, but it won't be appropriate enough to nod our head and agree to all their imagination. And then this day arrived. It's been 8 hours straight. I did not get any message, notification, or reply to my previous text from him. I was not aware that someone's silence can make me this anxious. After leaving a dozen of texts, I got a response. Hey, I'm literally occupied with work. Is there anything important? I was so worried about him, and this is how he replied. I could not control the flow of my words in mind. I wrote a lengthy paragraph. Before clicking the send button, I questioned myself. What if this will hurt him? I then cleared the text and kept my phone aside. I continued to stay busy with my work in order to keep his thoughts away from my mind. It's around 8 p.m. I received a text from him. Hey, how was your day? It brought a smile to my face. Yeah, it was good. Things apart, there is one question which is troubling me. Do you mind answering? I'm pretty sure that as always, it is going to be a weird one. Shoot, what does it mean when someone's silence hurts you? I know what you're talking about. It's about us, right? I said you the reason already. I don't think that it's necessary for me to explain it again. Good night, take care. There my bubble of question grew large. Why did I start expecting things from people? And why is his silence making me anxious? Why do I recheck my words before spilling any of them directly from my mind? Which is the very reason for why I am avoiding my mom's call. Is this about attachment? Why is the fear of losing the unknown crawling into my peaceful mind? The thoughts took a role to keep me awake all the night. Meanwhile, I don't even have an inch of an idea about what thoughts are running in his mind. Is he able to sleep peacefully at night? Or is he equally disturbed like me? The day started to crawl. Every passing minute, I would wonder what is happening in this goddamn life of mine. With whom am I supposed to ask these endless questions with? Knowingly or unknowingly, I named his silence as ignorance. All I could do in a situation like this is pour my thoughts into one more new draft, and here it is. He was a free bird filled with joy. I loved the way he looked at the world. There is some anonymous connection in between, but I can't cage him with my emotions, for he loved his own company. and all that I wish is his happiness. Although my wish is to be in his presence. He was happy while I cried silently. Deep down, I wanted to convey my feelings, but I did not know what exactly it is. I then chose to let him go, thinking he may return if I am his only home. I wonder what if he thought the same as I did. It's my desire for these words to reach him someday. Somewhere I knew where these emotions will lead me.